Alright, what's up, budget crew? Welcome back. Got another quick video. You guys already see what's up right here. My mom, she messed up her little splitter here, so got her replacement. Gonna swap this out. I got the exact same one. I pre-drilled the holes already, so it's just smoother install. But yeah, it's literally identical. So I'm just gonna jack up the car, take this off, and throw it back in there. I'll probably go wash the car too right now. Nice. Alright guys, so we got the old lip right here in the front, new lip in the back. Since I don't have my jack stands, I couldn't lift up the car evenly on both sides, so it's only being lifted up from the left side. So I used the drill to get those out, and then I used a little tiny screwdriver to get the rest of these out. So now I'm just gonna install it real quick, and then I'll show you guys how cool it looks, and then we'll go wash this real quick. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed the lip already, got the car all washed up. I put the front bra back in because, as you guys saw, the paint on her hood was chipping, so we want to prevent that from chipping any further. So we threw that back on. Pretty much it, guys. Alright, check this out guys. I had ordered some side skirts for my mom's car, and they just arrived. So I'm gonna throw them on real quick, real easy. I got one mocked up already, but originally I had gotten some like universal 3-piece side skirts that I was gonna throw on it, but these just looked so tacky, guys. I was like, I'm not even gonna throw them on there. Some cars are able to pull it off, but my personal taste, I did not like how they look. So I was looking and I found these right here, and check them out, guys. They're 1-piece side skirts. They definitely make the elantra look a lot sportier. Look real nice. Now I just gotta convince my mom to lower her elantra. Like all this stuff that I added on, like, you know, she likes it. At first she was like kind of iffy about it, but once I installed the stuff, like even the side skirts, she was like, no, you shouldn't have. And once I mocked it up and I showed her, and I could tell that she liked it, you know. So that's pretty dope. Quick tips for installing these. I guess they provide the double-sided tape, so I'm just gonna run a strip. I'm gonna run one right here on the inside to stick this there, and then I'm gonna run a strip all the way down across. Maybe not a full strip, because I don't think the amount of tape, the roll that they provide, is not enough. So I'll try to make it last for both side skirts. So 3M on the top on the inside, and then I'm gonna use the original hole for where the mudguard goes. I'm gonna use that same screw because the mudguard doesn't fit over the side skirt. I'm gonna try to make it fit. I have to trim a little bit of the mudguard. Let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so as you guys can see, the top hole almost wants to line up. Let's see. It almost wants to line up. You see, I gotta push it up a little bit more, and it doesn't go up because it's hitting this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim that lip off right here. You know, I'm gonna trim this down, and hopefully we can use that same screw to hold the side skirt and the mudguard. It should fit. Actually, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think that's gonna work. Or actually, no, yeah, it can definitely work. So yeah. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how I mark the hole, or guess where the hole is gonna be at for this right here. Excuse me. I used a zip tie, and I lined it up with this third hole over here. And let me show you guys. So the tip of the zip tie lines up right where the hole's at. Close enough, you know. Right there. So then I just slid the side skirt, the side skirt over, and then that's where I got my mark right there. So in theory that should be good, you know. So I'm gonna drill that out and freaking install the side skirt ASAP, boy. Alright guys, check this out. Just wanted to show you real quick that our little guesstimation was accurate, or accurate enough at least, to get that screw in. So now I'm just gonna take this off, undo the 3M tape, and then stick it on as we go. So I'm gonna pull the little strip and then push it down and, you know, go down throughout the whole side skirt. The back right here, unfortunately, there's nowhere for the skirt to actually like bolt onto, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. It is being held on by this little mud flap here. There's a little slit for it, you know. There you go. So, you know, that helps to hold the side skirt in place. In addition to that, I like I said, I put 3M tape here, so I'm gonna peel that off and just like really stick it on there. And yeah guys, that should be good enough. The 3M tape all around that screw, and then we're gonna do an additional screw in the middle, and that should be enough to hold the side skirt in place. So right on. I did end up using a majority of the 3M tape they gave me, all of it actually. I just have like one little tiny strip. So I have some 3M tape, but it's not the thin one like this, it's the thicker one. So I guess, you know, gotta work with what you got. Alright guys, so I went ahead and pushed down on the 3M tape. I was able to, you do have to force it a little bit. I did trim a lot of what I told you guys about. You guys can see right there, you know, what I trimmed off. There was a lot of plastic that was, you know, pushing the mud guard down. So, you know, I trimmed that all off. I'll take it off right now and show you guys exactly, you know, how it looks. That way you guys can see for yourself. Right. So there you go. So if you have the same mud guards as I do, there's that little groove right there, that little line. So that's where basically where I cut at. Alright. Alright, let me throw this back on. I hope you guys understood the assignment here. So unfortunately, the 3M tape is not that strong. As you can see, you can still push the side skirt in like that. Like you see it, the sticks when it wants to, but I mean, it's okay, I guess. We're still gonna have that screw underneath here, plus we got that screw over there. And then look at this, the 3M tape on this side. It's maybe because it's a little cold out here, but it is what it is. So let me throw this mud guard on, and I'll do the other side real quick off camera because it's getting dark out here already. It's barely, what time is it? It's barely 6 o'clock, but the sun's already down. So let me finish this up real quick. Alright guys, check this out. I had to come back at you guys the next day because we ran out of sunlight. But check this out, pretty dope. Now on this side I used that fatter 3M tape, and you know, it held up good. On the other side I used the strip that they provided, the little skinny ones, and it's good now because I pushed it down. But this, it comes off like that. But I drove the car around, you know, I brought it up to like 80 miles and it didn't fly off. Everything, you know, stayed on. The way the side skirts are made, you know, to clip onto the body of the elantra. So I'm gonna take this one off real quick to access it. I just turned the steering wheel all the way to the right. I'm gonna undo these screws, just pop it off, and then put the fatter 3M tape on that end. Nice. Alright guys, so I went ahead and threw on that thicker piece of 3M tape. Let me give you guys a full look, I guess. Better angle. Not bad, guys. These things look dope. Mud guard still on there. Nice. I just gotta get her some fog lights for her car. That'd be dope. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys get these for your elantra? Nice. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Peace out. Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the side skirts. I didn't end up using that middle bolt that I was telling you guys about that I was going to screw in. I didn't do that at all. I just left the 3M tape how it was, and it's been a little over 2-3 weeks, you know. So they've been holding up. I've washed the car like 3-4 times already. You know, they're still on there. But yeah guys, just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that you don't really need that bottom one, so you'll be fine with just the ones in the front and then the 3M tape right here on this side. But yeah guys, with all that being said, now for real, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Peace out.